Om Shanti. Hello friends, welcome to Himalaya Shakti Tantra. Today I am going to start a new series on Purak Kumbhak Rechak, means inhalation, retention and exhalation on Himalayan yogic techniques. In this series, I will share with you the breathing exercises and the ratio. What kind of a ratio the Himalayan yogic they use and how they do practice every day. So in this series, if you follow my series and videos in this, so I will make from the beginners to advanced, beginner ratios to advanced ratios. So if you follow this, so you can become also a master of a breath and you can understand the power of the breath and the meditation. So in this series, I will start from the basic and first ratio, because Himalayan yogics and in the Patanjali Yoga Sutra, they focus on Purak Kumbhak Rechak. They only focus on Purak Kumbhak Rechak and they practice in this whole life only these three techniques: inhalation, retention and exhalation. But with this, they also follow very good lifestyle. That is most important part in your spiritual journey. Without healthy lifestyle, you cannot experience anything in your life positive. So if you want to enter in this path, in the spiritual journey, so you have to change your habit, your daily lifestyle, your thoughts. I'm just giving you few things. So if you follow these things, so you can change your life and you can manifest your life. First, the daily routine, the daily practice is most important. The healthy lifestyle, Ayurvedic lifestyle you have to follow. You have to live celibate, means you have to control your semen. You cannot waste the real power. The fourth, you have to take a sleep well, sleep on time, take a diet on time, take limited water, and spiritual company, spiritual atmosphere and spiritual discussions. You have to add this in your daily lifestyle, who give you boost and motivation to your soul. Feed your soul every day with spiritual discussions. You can read holy books or you can practice every day as much as you can do. Meditation, yoga, breathing and meditation you have to do every day, at least minimum 1 hour you have to give yourself, and slowly increase the timing. So in this series, the first ratio is 1-1-1. It's the starting ratio, means inhalation 1, retention 1, exhalation 1. Purak 1 second, retention 1 second, exhalation 1 second. So I'm just giving you one round, but you know how to do that. You have to sit in an easy pose in the Dhyan Mudra, in the meditation posture, relaxation posture. Inhale 1 second, hold 1 second, exhale 1 second. Again, you have to do this practice minimum every day 15 minutes. Even if you are a beginner, you can do 10 to 15 minutes every day, at least 11 days. 11 days you have to practice only this exercise, 15 minutes, 1-1-1 ratio. The benefit of this breathing exercise is, first, it will give you mental stability. It will control your thoughts. It will give you connection and synchronization with the body, with the mind and the breath. And every disease comes with your negative mind and negative thoughts in your body. If you start living positive and healthy, so there is no disease in your body anymore. And right now, the current era is so negative. The energy is so negative around us because of some reasons, and you know that. So if you practice these exercises every day, so you can control your negative thoughts, unwanted thoughts, and you can feel the peace and bliss. Keep practice this ratio every day 15 minutes. And in my next video, I will share another ratio. The pattern is same, the method is same, but the ratio will be changed. And slowly, slowly, it will start giving you very spiritual effects, very spiritual effects in your life. You can awaken your hidden powers with this series that I'm going to start. I was quite very busy in my meditation, in my daily practices, so I was not able to make videos. So today I get time, and universe giving me this message to make this series on this topic. So that's why I'm going to make. I will share as much as ratios I can, because the Himalayan yogic, they focus on long exhalation. If you can control your breath, and if you can exhale long, and if you inhale less in a 1 minute, so you can increase your lifespan and you can live healthy till the end of your life. And that is the purpose on earth, to practice this every day and see the changes in your life, and you can manifest. Because when your mind is centered and stable, so you can focus on your work, on your daily life, and you can easily rectify your daily issues. It's not a big deal. So keep practice and follow my series. I will share this first video with the new. I will create a playlist, the Purak Rechak Kumbhak, and you can go there and you can start your practice with this 11 days 1-1-1 ratio. And I will come with the another ratio in my next video. Till then, enjoy and keep practice your spirituality and your spiritual path. That is most important in current time, because new time when will come, the coming time also going to create lots of disturbance and issue, the mental disturbance. So keep practice and prepare yourself for big problems of your life. Om Shanti.